Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble windmill. First, carefully remove your new bubble windmill from its packaging. Take a moment to check that all parts, such as the fan blades and solution tray, are included and in good condition. Familiarize yourself with the main components, especially the area where the bubble solution will be added. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable bubble-making experience. Now, let's get to the fun part. Carefully pour about 4 ounces of your favorite bubble solution into the windmill's reservoir. Make sure not to overfill it, as this could affect its operation. Once filled, gently rotate the fan blades by hand a few times to help prime the system and ensure the solution coats the wands evenly. This prepares your windmill to create a delightful stream of bubbles. To get the best bubble show, position your windmill in an open outdoor space where it can catch a light breeze. The wind will naturally turn the fan blades, causing the wands to dip into the solution and release hundreds of bubbles. You should see a continuous, enchanting flow of bubbles filling the air, providing endless entertainment for everyone. Enjoy the magical display. To keep your bubble windmill in excellent condition for many uses, proper care is essential. After each session, carefully empty any leftover bubble solution from the reservoir. Then, rinse the reservoir thoroughly with clean water to prevent residue buildup. Allow all components to air dry completely for at least 2 hours before storing it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. This simple routine ensures long-lasting fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.